the government governance structure in this country, according to our constitution, has majority and minority. Let me be very clear, and I want to advise the president against allowing appointment of minority members of parliament into the positions that we who are in the majority lost. They were taken away. We are not satisfied about the reasons. There were no reasons given. Nevertheless, going forward, I want to advise and I want to plead with His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya that if you truly observe the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, the governance structure requires that if you are in the majority, then you should occupy departmental committees of parliament leadership. There is a number that comes from the minority so that checks and balances can be kept. It is an unusual arrangement. It's actually unacceptable and an illegal arrangement. And the members of the minority should not accept. It is true, the work of parliament, one of the new roles is to oversight. But there is no way you can say you will be in the minority and occupy the position of the minority in the House and then come to occupy leadership positions for departmental committees that oversight, that actually receive government proposals, not just oversight, because the chairmen are the ones that receive and guide the committee in its work when government proposals and bills reach the House. The chairman is a critical person. Whether there is hardship or not, the hardship may mean cooperation, may mean looking for formulas and ways of working together without stalling the work of the people of the Republic of Kenya. I want to go on record saying that it would be unconstitutional, it would be illegal. It doesn't matter what argument you try to bring, you are in the minority, your role is cut out. And there is a ruling in the House by the Speaker, this particular Speaker in the 11th Parliament, that left only two committees, the PIC, Public Investment Committee, and the PAC, Public Accounts Committee.